Hello, everybody. Today, we are starting a very interesting workshop for a technology driven company called Shivut. Shivut is bringing out a very innovative app based logistics solution, which is the need of the hour. Along with me is Mr. Solomon, who's the founder of the company. And, Mr. Solomon, why are we looking at franchising a technology, app-based business like Tesla Tooki?
Yeah, actually, the thing is that most of the works that had been done in this country, though it is app based nowadays, what we feel for the past 7 to 10 years, but it has not reached to every places because it is the great responsibility upon the companies that is already doing, but they are having their limitations. So we thought about that we should also put our hands in the progress of the country with giving facilities by with as our company also to be added along with those companies, and so that people can have varieties as before we know that we had Doordarshan as TV, but now we are having so many channels. So the more the channels are, the more the entertainment and more that that market is erupted. So if one standalone company will be there, and if there is no positive competition, or you can say people won't get any variation. So we are bringing that variation in a healthy manner at the same time where they are not capable of, because though they are, every company is doing their best, they are trying to do their best. So why can't we also put our energy to put that best thing to the citizens of India? So that was the main thing where we wanted to come into this model, but through franchisee, so that only company should not earn. Let us all, as Prime Minister Modi has already told, हम बढ़ो सबको बढ़ाना, हमारा साथ हमारा सबका विकास हो. So we want that we also grow. Let our people also grow in every city. We have to create entrepreneurs. We have to create project peoples. We have to create owners, not just employees. So we are creating owners and entrepreneurs in every city. So this franchisee model has got that capacity to bring the dream come true for many people who don't have much money, but then also they have got that dream. So we are fulfilling that dream.
Great, absolutely. So, we've seen what the Ola, Ubers, and the Rapidos have done in India from a transport solution point of view. We've also
Yes.
seen what Porter is doing right now,
Yeah.
in terms of interlogistics delivery, intercity delivery, intracity delivery, and all kinds of,
Yeah.
logistic solutions. And that's what Tooki is going to be operating in that space in terms of
Yeah.
being an alternative and bringing about a lot of changes, a lot of, filling in a lot of gaps that major players don't have. Also, we're going to operate a very localized franchise model wherein we'll include the local community, we'll include the local entrepreneur, we'll include the local, the entire market in terms of connecting that market with the franchise model that we are going to build
Yeah.
and ensure that we
Yeah.
bring about a solution to this app-based, technology-based business. So I'm
Yes.
very excited to start this workshop. Let's get started, and I'm sure once we come back to you at the end of the day, we should be able to form a very comprehensive franchise model for your
Yeah.
technology company, and get a feedback from you in terms of whether we've filled all the gaps and helped you create the franchise model perfectly. Let's get started with the workshop. Thank you so much.
Yes. Sure.
Hello, everybody. We've just completed a very interesting workshop for a technology based company, Shivut. And they're coming out with a very exciting logistic solution app and a complete business that revolutionizes the entire logistics industry. Along with me is the founder of the company, Mr. Solomon. I'll straight away go to him and ask him, सोलोमन जी कैसा रहा आज का वर्कशॉप? आपके माइंड में बहुत ही एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेंचाइज मॉडल आपने ऑलरेडी बना के रखा था और काफी सारी चीजें आपके माइंड में ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी क्लैरिटी थी कि मेरे को इस चीजों को इस तरीके से करना है, और हमने शायद आज के वर्कशॉप के अंदर ये पूरा मॉडल आपके जो माइंड में था उसको डिस्कस किया है और काफी सारे रिकमेंडेशंस दिए हैं. सो आपका क्या फीडबैक है और how does it seem, how does it look from here?
Yeah, actually, what we were looking for, we found in this meeting that we had now with our sir Amit Nahar sir, and so many things. Though as he has said that we had a strong franchisee model, but that will just not happen until unless we don't get the feedback at the same time, the suggestions that you have given. So we got certain things in our mind, but there was a dilemma of understanding that will it work or not. But now, after talking to you regarding this matter, now your suggestion and other taking other things and feedbacks, we come to a place where we can understand. Yes, this was right, and we were not doing this. This should be done, and we were not doing this. So, in that part where you are master, okay, so we can have a good plan, but the implementation of plan can happen only when we had this conversation. Okay, so maybe that we have missed this opportunity. We should have attached, joined with you people long time before, and that would have been a beneficiary part for us up till now. We could have generated and scaled up 20x up till now. But we missed that. But in future, what we are seeking for is that we hope the same 20 to 25x more after joining you. So many suggestions were small suggestions were there, but that is the key point of as a ship is having a radar. A ship is having one thing which just drives the directions completely. The same way, many thought process and making our plans strong, feel strong, good for franchisee, good for franchisee income. People who will be franchisee in our company will get much more benefit, and company will also be smooth in running. Thank you, sir, for everything that you have shared up till now, and we hope the same is going to happen in future.
Oh, yes, absolutely. I mean, see, most technology businesses are not able to fathom franchising deeply. They think that it is meant for food and it's meant for education, and they're not able to understand it. I'm very happy that you've gone very deep into franchising, built something already in your mind, and I've started working also. But from an execution perspective, we wanted a lot of things to be in place because we're looking at a pan-India expansion and we're looking at a
Yes.
quick rollout across the country. So we want to be sure that a lot of these elements are in place so that we're able to scale up properly. And then the company also is asset light on the back end. And we are able
Yes.
to optimize whatever, we're bringing the entrepreneurs onto the board at the franchisee level. Also, it's not important to have pure investors. Franchising is much more than that. And what we will
Yes.
do using this model is bring in entrepreneurship, empower the entrepreneurs to do much more locally. And this is a very hyper local business. We're working
Yes.
with truck drivers, we're working with tempo drivers, we're working with auto drivers, we're working with two-wheeler riders, we're working with cab drivers. So we're working with a lot of these kind of hyper local community people who are operating in their respective cities, and local franchisees who come in will be able to work effectively with them. So I'm more than happy to help you configure this properly. And I'm sure Tesla Tooki, the Tooki brand for logistic solutions is going to become a very successful franchise-led brand. Let's together start this journey. I'm excited. We'll take this forward from here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.